First, log into the RDS system. The configuration panel on the left-hand side of the software can be broadly divided into 4 parts: monitor interface, robot list, transport orders list, etc. Task configuration, interface configuration, script configuration, etc. Statistic interface, including robot tracking statistics, order task statistics, etc. Settings interface, including system resource configuration, mobile interface configuration, playback, and event log. In the first part, the monitor interface, we can see all running robots are displayed in real time in the monitor interface, including any faults or errors that occur during operation. Next is the robot list, right side list. This is the task records, where we can review the current stage of a robot's operation in real time, which helps in checking and identifying any anomalies. And here are the transport orders records. In the second part, the most important areas are the preset task list and the win task. By operating the win task, we can configure different custom tasks based on the actual on-site process flow. The task creation process is also very simple. For example, to create a task called the test task. In the task editing interface on the left-hand side, there are various preset program blocks. Select the necessary program blocks and drag them to the right-hand side interface. The demonstration shows the creation of a simple process. After completing the task creation, choose to execute the task and input the start and end points for the transport. You can see the robot starting to execute the task in the monitor interface. In the script interface, JavaScript code can be configured to work with WinTask to complete more complex business processes. We will provide most of the code templates, and your engineers only need to modify a few parts of the code to complete the setup. The third part mainly consists of the statistics interface. Here, the robot tracking statistics displays various types of data that can be checked and presented in different chart formats. You can also customize the addition or deletion of charts. Other statistics include task tracking statistics, robot operation records, and AMR error records, etc. In the fourth part, you can see the system configuration and log records, and also configure the mobile interface. Click on the settings interface to add a task named the test task on the right-hand side. You can also customize the various styles over the bottom. Add 2 drop-down selection boxes to select the start and end points. Once the configuration is confirmed, open the mobile interface, select the task's start and end points. After assigning the task, you can see the robots executing it on the map. In addition, the mobile interface can also perform other operations just like the PC interface.